Welcome sa Pinoy Unknown Files. Para sa ating first video ay patungkol sa isang pinaghihinalang alien technology na satellite na matagal nang nag-orbit sa Earth at ang estimated na taon ng satellite na ito ay 13 years old na. Tara, panoorin natin kaibigan.
Well, that's kind of rich and pretty spectacular. God, what is that there? That's Apollo. What the hell is that? Tango. Tango. It's kind of light. Oh boy, it's really something super fantastic here. You couldn't ever imagine this. Roger, we know about that. Could you go the other way? Go back the other way. Well, that's kind of rich.
Kung titignan natin, sa medyo parang kakaiba at natuklasan ito ng mga scientists ng matagal na panahon. Hindi pa nag-i-exist ang ganitong klaseng technology. At lahat ng bansa ay wala pang may kakayahang magpalipad ng ganitong satellite nang nadiskubre itong Black Knight.
Pretty spectacular. God, what is that there? That's Apollo. What the hell is that? Well, that's kind of rich and pretty spectacular. God, what is that there?
Base nga pala sa aking pananaliksik, pati pala si Nikola Tesla daw ay nakaka-receive ng signal mula sa sinaunang satellite na ito. At sinasabi naman ng NASA na ito ay isang space junk. Pero maraming di naniniwala. At hanggang ngayon, wala pang bansang nagsasabi na kanila ang satellite na ito. Mukhang meron ng matagal na nagmamasid sa ating mga tao. At sa ating next video ay isang unidentified flying object na nakuhanan mismo ng US military sa Iraq. Kakaiba kaibigan. Tara, panoodin natin. Kuha nga pala ang video na ito sa pagitan ng taon na 2017 to 2018. At na-leak o inilabas ang video na ito ng isang whistleblower na nagngangalang Jeremy Carville. May mga naniniwala na isa itong tunay na UFO o isang UAP na hindi mapaliwanag. Nakuhanan talaga ng isang military base sa Iraq. So kung titignan mo siya mabuti guys, nagbabago-bago yung ano niya, yung kulay niya. Tapos nagiging transparent siya. Tapos para bang pag may madadaanan siyang mga bahay, nagtatransparent siya. Ang ganda ng defense mechanism niya. Para hindi nga naman mahalata na nag-o-observe siya sa base ng US. Kakaiba. Pero Ayon sa mga skeptics, isa lang daw itong dumi sa lente. O kaya ordinaryong bagay na lumilipad parang weather balloon na kung tawagin nila. At parang nag-iiba ang imahe na ito sa thermal imaging ng US military. Pero kung ganun man, bakit siya talaga nagbabago na parang transparent? At tila ba nag-oobserba ang bagay na ito? Tila ba pinagtataka ko lang, bakit sa US military base siya lumilipad? 'Di ba? Anong ginagawa niya ron? Anong inoobserbahan ng UFO na ito sa military base? Sinadya ba niya magpakuha talaga sa camera ng US military? At bakit parang nagpapalit-palit talaga siya ng kulay sa tuwing dumadaan siya sa mga bahay? Ano ang inoobserbahan ng UFO na ito? Hanggang ngayon, wala pa rin opisyal na paliwanag na tuluyang nagpapatunay kung ano ba talaga ang lumilipad na bagay na ito. At ang bagay na ito ay tinaguri ang jellyfish UFO ng mga Amerikano. Isa ba itong teknolohiya na hindi pa natin alam o isa lamang itong optical illusion na kumakalat sa internet at sinasabi nilang UFO o isang UAP? Kayo ba guys? Ano sa tingin nyo? Technology ba? O talagang merong nag-oobserba sa mga Amerikano sa Iraq? At para sa ating last video ngayong araw, ang topic pala nito ay nakatira ba tayo sa isang malaking motherboard base sa mga ancient structure? Tara, panoorin natin.
Insane internet rabbit holes that are oddly convincing part Baby 1085. We are living on a giant motherboard, and ancient structures were built as circuit boards to harness the Earth's natural energy to power civilization. And it was neither humans nor aliens that came up with this. Oh, we deep in these weeds today, Custa. Why does this 13th century cathedral have the exact same pattern on its floor as this circuit board? We're not even talking kinda similar. This is a one-to-one perfect match. And this isn't just any circuit board, but
Kung titignan nga natin, mukhang kaparehas nga. Sa unang tingin, pero sa sobrang pagkakaparehas niya, parang talagang kinopya ang pattern, tapos yung sinasabi niya ay isa palang circuit device. Anong klaseng circuit device kaya ito?
one for a specific device called a Schumann resonator, a small low-frequency electronic device designed to generate electromagnetic radiation tuned to approximately 7.83 Hz, the exact frequency that the Earth's atmosphere vibrates at, called the Schumann resonances, or the heartbeat of the Earth. Frequencies that are said to be able to harness energy free, natural energy from the ether that these resonator devices attempt to mimic. This floor is from the Chartres Cathedral in France, built in 1220 AD. The Schumann resonances weren't discovered until the 1960s, and its related circuit board much later, yet somehow their patterns are literally identical, which could, in theory, imply that old structures like these may have been power plants that captured and transmitted these natural resonating frequencies of the earth to power ancient societies, who possess lost esoteric knowledge of harnessing free energy from the earth that they built all around the world. Giza pyramid power plant theories step aside. This is the world power plant theory. And the more we look, the more we see it everywhere, repeating patterns in ancient sites around the world that almost precisely resemble computer circuit boards. From ancient Egyptian cities to those in ancient Mexico. From a bird's eye view, they all
Nakamute pala ako. So, ang ibig sabihin pala niya is kayang mag-mimic ng Schumann resonator ng frequency na kayang pinoproduce ng Earth. Yung 7.83 Hertz ay kayang i-mimic ng Schumann resonator. Tapos yung structure daw na nasa buong mundo na ancient structure ay kaya ring mag-harness ng free energy mula sa 7.83 Hertz na ito.
have very similar, extremely structured grid-like layouts to them that really do look like modern electronics. These are some insanely calculated measurements here, which they would never do just at random. Here's an aerial view of the ancient ruins in... oh, wait, no, never mind. That's just a dusty motherboard. This is an Egyptian pyramid next to a microprocessor, and the layout of an Osirian temple beside a computer.
Oh, parang kopyang-kopya nga yung Orion Egypt tsaka yung computer chip oh. Tignan nyo, pareha sila. Ang galing naman ng nag-research nito.
Computer chip. Now, I'm not saying this is real, just another insane rabbit hole that I'm laying out for you. But now, what if it was neither humans, nor past civilizations, nor even aliens that designed this? I'ma let this meme right here do the explaining, cause this might kinda blow your mind. The life cycle of AI. First, humanity gets advanced enough to be able to research AI, as we have been doing for the past few decades. Then, we perfect AI, and I think we can agree we're slowly or maybe quickly getting there. Then, AI perfects itself, followed by AI enslaving humanity, forcing us to build its energy-gathering components into the greatest source of power we have available, the Earth itself. As we see with all those structures and precise mathematical layouts of ancient sites resembling circuit boards. It wasn't aliens, it wasn't some long-lost advanced civilization, it wasn't interdimensional beings, it was AI that built the pyramids. If AI ever manages to perfect itself and then take over humanity, we can all assume its next logical step would be to conquer the entire Earth as its own. What better way to conquer it than harnessing the Earth's natural energy for its own use, by building its hardware directly into its surface. To the greatest source of power. This might kind of blow. This is real. Just another insane rabbit hole that I'm laying out for you. But now...
Parehas no? Oh. Yung kanina tsaka ngayon. So, ang sinasabi ng tao na ito, na parang may isang ancient AI, isang intelligent design, hindi daw ito gawa ng tao at ng alien. Ibig sabihin, noong unang panahon ay may AI na. Ito ay isang speculation lamang. Oy, ito'y meron bang tinatago ang mga scientist sa atin? Meron silang ayaw ipaalam. Kasi kung titignan mo yung circuit board ng mga pinapakita niya at yung mga ancient structure na kaparehas, parang kinopya. So, ang sinasabi ng lalaki na to, base sa rabbit hole na pinapasukan niya is may ancient AI na talaga noon pa. Isang intelligent designer. Mukhang kakaiba ang mga nangyayari. Paano kaibigan? Hanggang dito na lang. Salamat sa iyong panonood. Ito nga pala ang Pinoy Unknown Files.